Now you're probably wondering, Nina, how did we end up in this situation? Well, I'll show you. It is so hard to talk with this. Well, hello my friends, it's Nina and I'm not going to look like this for this video. Welcome to a soft to edgy transformation. Edgy was the best word that I could come up with besides e-girl. I didn't really want to do an e-girl transformation just because I feel like that's such a 2019 thing to do. I feel like I'm a little too late to do that. In a sense, this is sort of an e-girl transformation, but I really wanted to focus on just trying to be the opposite of me. I'm known, or at least on the internet, I'm known to be a soft person. It's weird to describe myself as soft, but basically people say I have soft energy, and so today I just want to kind of change things up a little bit and become as edgy as possible. It's also going to be more on the lines of grungy. I kind of want to go for that more grungy, edgy aesthetic. This video is not meant to be taken seriously or not meant to prove a point, and it's not meant to change my personality or my appearance. I mean, I'm changing my appearance for this video, but I like who I am. I acknowledge that I am a pretty soft person, but I just want to change things up a little bit and surprise myself. But we're going to say goodbye to normal, regular Nina. In the next clip, it's going to be the next day, no makeup. We're going to do the transformation. Bye bye. Okay, my friends, it is transformation time. Let's get this done. As you can see, I have no makeup on. I actually already straightened my hair because I'm not about to add that into the video, although I do have some clips of me straightening my hair. My hair is now straight and I actually have half of my outfit on. I have not worn the bottom half of my outfit yet because I'm planning on wearing ripped skinny jeans for this whole edgy look. Right now I'm just wearing some comfy pants because we're going to be here for a while. But now we're going to do our makeup. I'm going to use the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. I also bought some falsies. I don't wear falsies. I thought for this video I should at least try to wear these. I've only worn falsies like 3 times in my life. I don't know how this is going to go, but hopefully I can put these on. And then I'm going to do a bold lip, throw on accessories. It'll be quite the transformation, I hope. But for now, let's get our face on. I already got ready and moisturized. I'm going to put on a makeup primer. This is the Peach Sea Peach Glow makeup base. I'm going to put this on all over my face. Just put it on my fingers a good amount. This is going to help our makeup stay. Make sure your hands are clean. My makeup is usually soft and pink or corally. For today's makeup, I'm going for a bold, smoky look. Now I'm going to move on to my BB cream. This is the only foundation that I have. This is the one that I use all the time, and I put it on with a beauty blender. We got one right here. I'm just doing the same face makeup that I usually do. So we're gonna put this one. I'm going to just blend it all over. Yeah, this looks good. So anyway, the whole point of this video is I get called soft a lot. I'm known as a soft person, a soft stan, soft-hearted, all of that. And the thing is, I wasn't always like this. It's just, I guess, as I got older and as I discovered more about myself, I just naturally became this way. But I would say that when I was younger, I was definitely not the same person. Also, the chair that I'm sitting on creaks a lot. This was more my style back in 2014, 2015 latest. But Kbeauty definitely had a big influence on me, which changed my style and my makeup style and all that a lot. Not saying that Kbeauty isn't edgy or whatever, but anywho. Next I'm putting on concealer. This is the Sem Ideal Concealer Duo in clear beige. Just putting this wherever I need to. So now that we have our concealer on, we're going to blend. Where's my beauty blender? I'm gonna take the pointy tip and blend this all out. So we're looking a little too pale. It's okay, that always happens. I always go a little too heavy with the concealer. But for now, I'm going to work on my eyebrows. I'm going to only use an eyebrow pencil. Usually I use an eyebrow powder and then a pencil, but for now I'm just going to focus on making my eyebrows sharp. Not too sharp. I'm going to kind of elongate. You would think that I'm fluent in English, but sometimes I forget words. I'm going to try to make my eyebrows longer and thinner. So here we have my eyebrow pencil. It's a NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Maybe I should brush out my eyebrows first. I'm going to just help my eyebrows a little bit. Give them a little shape. Then I'm going to draw them out. I'm gonna start on the outside first. Oh, my contact lenses. So I drew on my brows to the best of my abilities, and we're going to brush it out. So there we have our brows. I think they're bolder than what I usually do, so hopefully this should turn out okay. But now we're going to move on to the eyes, which I'm terrified about. Just to be safe, I am going to put on eyeshadow primer, even though I think the concealer is doing a good job already. Here is the ColourPop Bare Necessities palette, and look at all the colors. I think first I'll start with Tease Me. It's this color right here. I'll put this all over my lid just as a base. Fallout. I'm going to move on to Hot Gossip. It's this brown color right here. I'm gonna pile this on. Yes! Oh, that's nice. Do not be afraid of the shadow. Shadow. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush and just blend it out so it's seamless. Now I'm going to move on to Hot, which is this orange brown color. This is going to go strictly on my eyelid. Ah, yes. Oh, that's a nice color. Then we're gonna softly blend it out again. I'm going to move on to Velveteen, so we're going basically down, then we're going to go this way. It's a nice dark brown. I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna put Fuzzy on top of my lids just to brighten up my look a little bit. Ooh, I really like that. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Next I'm going to go with Genie, which is this gold metallic color. And then now I'm going to go with Spyglass. It's the black shade right here. And that's going to go on the outer corner. So I'm going to get my flat tip brush. Oh, the wings actually match. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner first and then falsies. This is the Stila All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And we're just going to basically follow the shadow that we created for ourselves. Do I curl my lashes first? I'm gonna curl them up just a tiny bit. Okay, now I'm going to put on these falsies. I literally just got them from Target. I'm assuming it's like this. I'm gonna put this one on my right eye, this one on my left. Got some eyelash glue here and we're going to do this. I'm gonna trim it just a tiny bit. I only have fabric scissors. Okay, that should be good. Let's put on our lash glue. Is it on? That should be good. I'm scared. I'm scared that this will go wrong. BRB, you guys, okay? I need full focus. Okay, I think I put one on. I have one on so far. I'm gonna put on the other one. This is hard, but they stay on pretty nice and I could blink. Gonna put on my other one. Oh my goodness, I am not adding eyelashes to my routine. That took too long to do. So my eyelashes are on. We are moving on to, I'm going to actually set my face first. Using the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder in Fair, I'm going to set my face. We want a nice matte look. Oh, I have an eyelash on my face. Did you make a wish? I'm gonna set my face. Oh, I am going to put on mascara on my bottom lashes though. After I set my face, I'm going to put on a very light blush. This is the 3CE Face Blush in Nude Peach. In my regular makeup routine, I like to put on a bold pink one. For this look, we're going with a Nude Peach. Now next, we're going to move on to the lips. I'm gonna go in with the 3CE Velvet Lip Tint in Taupe. This is a nice red-brown color, which will go well with our makeup, and wipe off excess lip balm. Ooh. Oh, this is going to change everything, huh? And just put it all over. Oh my god. The lips really make a difference. So first I'm going to blot it out so it's nice and soft, and then we'll add more layers. This is so strange to me. Gonna put on another layer. Whoa, okay. Oh, this is so new to me. I'm gonna put on just the tiniest bit more blush just because all of my makeup's so strong. This is a look. Okay, so this is the finished makeup, I think. Now that we've done our makeup, I'm going to do the fun part, which is accessorize. As you can see, I haven't worn anything yet. First, I'm going to start with earrings. I have this little nice bar set. I have 3 piercings on each ear. I'm gonna put this one in the middle piercing. Get in there. So we have one here. Then I have a small bar. I'm gonna put this on my first piercing. So there we go. And then finally, I just have a stud. I'm going to put it on my 3rd piercing. There we go. And then for my other ear, I have a safety pin earring. I'm going to put this on my first lobe piercing. Then on to the next piercing, I have this chain. I'm going to put on the 2nd. There we go. That looks nice. Then I'm going to put on my last stud. I have all of my earrings. There they are. Just kind of adds to my look. Next is just for fun. I have this little broken earring. I'm going to use this as a fake lip piercing. I don't have lip piercings, but I thought for this look it would just be fun to add it on. So here we go. There she is. It's not the easiest to talk with this, but it's a fun little touch. It's falling out. Next, I'm going to put on necklaces. Here is a silver rose necklace. I'll have these necklaces linked down below. Then we have another. I'm going to layer these necklaces. Then I have a final really small necklace. It's just got one little stud on it. Put it on. I also have this chain. You like this chain? $3. I'm actually not sure how much it costed. I think it came with some pants, if you got my reference though. I'm just for fun going to put this around my neck. These are meant to be worn with pants, but I don't have a lot of fun necklaces for this look because clearly I don't dress like this all the time. But I'm just going to put it around my neck, kind of like a choker. And here is my necklace, and this is the final look. Well, actually it's not the final look because I want to put on one colored contact lens. Should I do that right now? Let's do it. I'm gonna put on a colored contact lens. I'll be right back. It's a nice silver color. It's more gray, but anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, so if you can tell the difference, this lens is gray and then this eye is just my regular contact lens. There is a slight color difference. It's very subtle, so if you can't tell the difference, that's fine, but I can't see out of this eye. The reason why I put one colored contact lens on is because if I put both, I can't see out of both of my eyes. This lens doesn't have a prescription, and so I'm only able to see out of this eye with my prescription lenses. This has completely no use except for color, so I can't actually see the camera really well right here, but we're making it work. But this is the final look. I think it looks different from my usual look. It kind of does look like an e-girl look, but I just wanted to go for basically the opposite of me. I will also kind of show you my outfit. So I have some ripped skinny jeans, then I have a mock neck long sleeve, and then I also have an oversized denim jacket. Ow! This is honestly an outfit that I would still wear, but I thought that it would go well with this look. Am I hardcore yet? Hardcore! I still feel the same. Also, I can only see clearly out of one eye, so this is all just very difficult. So that is it for this transformation. This was my transformation from soft to edgy. This doesn't change anything. This was all for fun. I like myself right now. I'm not gonna change my personality or anything like that, but I just love that you can be whoever you want to be. And this is actually really fun to do. I hope that this was a good time, and that's gonna be it. You will probably see Soft Nina back again in the next video, but until then, let's bring it in for a hug. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, my friends. I'm like worried I'm gonna get lipstick on my teeth. I can't even laugh. I hope you had a good time, and this is about to fall off. Oh, freedom! Oh, yes. Wow. The makeup still looks good without lashes too. Okay, bye-bye.